Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and if you've been in the market for a drone but you have not pulled the trigger yet because you've been waiting for that perfect drone that checks all those boxes, well, this just might be it. It is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. For me, it's under 250 grams, check. Focus track, check. And obstacle sensing, check. So basically, you don't need a license. You can throw this thing up in the air and it will follow you and avoid things. So that's just exceptional. Wonderful looking, very compact drone that takes amazing pictures, both video and stills from all the reviews that I have seen so far on it. Look at this. It is 4K HDR video, also 1080p, at 120 frames per second. That's just crazy. 4K, 60 frames per second, and 48 megapixel stills. Something else that I really like is the fact that you can get a separate remote controller, so you don't have to rely upon your phone because, you know, the phone battery and all that kind of stuff. So that's great. That's, of course, extra cost. Also, panoramics, I mean, that's great and all. As well, this is perfect. Wireless Wi-Fi download, so no cables. Now, this thing is not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. However, considering what you're getting, it is not bad. It starts at $759 and goes up from there. So what do you guys think? Do you have a drone? If you have a drone, what drone do you have? Are you maybe thinking about getting this one because you don't have one already? Or maybe you have, like, for example, the Mini 2 and you are thinking about this one. So let us all know